Hey, hi everyone, welcome to this channel. My name is Reddy. In this video, I could like to inform you that we in our college we are providing the Electronic Communication Engineering Fest. In this fest, let's move into before going to registration of this fest. What are the events we are conducting in this fest? What is the uses of joining in this event? What is the use of that certificate? I will explain everything. Okay. Before that, move into this website. What are the things we have in the college? What are the things we are conducting in the feds? Let's move and understand about this. These are the this is our college things which is placed as images. Our college building and our entrance and what are the competitions we are performing, like Freshers Day or Annual Day, like so many things we are placed over as an image form. Okay, what are the for this case of fest? We are conducting 5 events. This is the main 5 event, and when if you want to join this type of events in outside of this anywhere, we want to pay nearly thousands of rupees for joining purpose. But for that case of we have think that for low cost percent money amount of low cost only we are providing these events. We are giving the best national certificate for everyone who are participate in this events, and giving the one first, second, third prizes also there. These prizes also very valuable things. So if you want, I will explain each and event how this event. First event is PowerPoint presentation. The cost of this per participating in this event is 100 rupees when you have solo performance. If you are participating a solo, you want to pay 100 rupees for this event. You can join there. You can do any type of electronics based project PPTs on our college. Okay, and the next event is technical quiz. It is very useful for the who are preparing for the gates exam, or you who are going to visualize VLSI exams. So many depth based on this exams we are giving technical quiz. So many experts have come here and they will ask the technical quiz. They will guide you everything for the in this participation of the technical quiz. You want to have a team members, that is 2 members. For a we are paying we are paying this 150 rupees for this technical quiz. It is a very simple thing. Like this type of quizzes, if you want to participate in outside, if you want to pay thousands of rupees for this type of quizzes, whereas in our college we are providing the best faculties from the best faculties, and who are the highly experienced persons that came here, and they will ask the questions, and they will say they will ask the questions for you and in these quiz competitions. Okay, and the third one is poster presentation. Now, why the poster presentation on PPT is here? Because if you are going now, if you are the outgoing batch, or if you are that in pre-final year, it is very necessary to you for PPT and poster presentation. That means for that case, if you move into the jobs, you want to explain your projects in these PPTs and postal presentations like this. Simple way only you want to explain. For that case, it will help to you to balance how to present this presentation, how to show off your skills in front of these interviews. For many more, there is a lot of advantages by giving these PPTs and poster presentations. For poster presentation, we for solo person who wanted to participate, he want to pay only 100 rupees. It is a low of money amount. Okay, and fourth event is the biggest event. It is a live projects. Live projects is the main thing. If you are a third year or a fourth year in your graduation, it will help to build your resume, because the resume is most important to get a job. So for that case, we are giving the live projects here. If you have a live project ideas, if you have a develop any project that will show off your project in our college, it will help to build your resume, and which we have given the certificate is very powerful certificate. It will add some of the strength to your resume. If you go to the interviews, the person can easily see their certificate ID, you can easily know that this is a you have done the best project you have get for this live projects. There is, we want to need only team members of 4 members here for 200 rupees. It is a low much of cost. In the outside of this so many people are giving the seminars, and they want to entry fees. There is an entry fees only 1000 to 2000 rupees for their projects. So we are not expecting that much of amount. We are just for 200 rupees. It is very simple for each and everyone. Everyone can join with us. We can help you, and we can make a build the nation. And the final one is electron circuit design. It is most important for these electronic students who are design the circuits. They have so much interest to design the circuits. These are the events for the solo performance. It is 100 rupees. This is simply 100, 200, 150. The simply amount. This is a small amount for when you compare the outside seminars. So our faculty decide that, our college management decide that we want to provide the best things for everyone at low cost, at low amount of that. For that case only we have started this fest events. Okay, now move on to that. How to register in these fest events. Let's you when you go into this website, I will give that website link in the description, and move on there. You have find this register option. Just click on it. Just wait. Yeah, this is a Google form page where our event registration form is came. These are the event registration form. You have instructions. Make sure you want to study the instructions before the applying. Okay, just first enter your email. Enter my email address and press next. Select which type of participating which type of event you are participant. For example, my case I am participant. For example, in my case I participate PPT. If you have interesting participate on quiz or live projects, circuit designing, posters, you can just simply click there. It's very useful for you that. And student your name, enter your name and the hall ticket number. If you have where you are from, which college are you from, we can enter. For my case, my hall ticket number. This is my hall ticket number, and your college name is necessary to be your college name. My college is Sri Venkateswara Institute of Technology. It is SVIT, and provide your number. It is necessary for feedback you. And if you have any abstract, abstract is only for live projects and PPT. So if you have an abstract, can you apply there? For this case, I am not applying the abstract. And poster theme. Theme means you name your theme. Like I am giving AI, artificial intelligence things. Online payment or smart payment. If you want to play the online payment, you can just Google it, or phone pay, use anything. I'm choosing the spot payment and press next. And finally, these are the things. Click submitted if you have cleared the forms. Yeah, completed. This is a registration form for our events. Okay, this is all thing I have explained you. Please participate in this event. It will help you develop more your skills and build your resume. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.